Very warm good morning, my dear children. Yesterday we have completed question number A and B, and today we were going to solve question number C and D. Okay, children? So, everyone open page number 24 and start solving with me. Already I have given you all the homework. Just check your answer whether you all have written correct or not. Okay, number 1. It is a portable secondary storage device. Now, portable means, children, which you can move or carry easily. And we all know that pen drive is that secondary storage device which can be carried easily in our pocket, right? So, first one is pen drive. Let's move to question number 2. This stores instruction for starting the computer. Okay. Now, I have already said you all that primary memory work fast than the secondary memory, and I have also explained you that in computer the shutdown or to start the computer, this process never takes time. Why? Because it is stored in the primary memory, and it is stored where? It is stored in read only memory. Okay, children? So whatever instruction we give to the computer for starting or shutting down, it works very fast because it is present in the inbuilt of the computer. Okay. C. It is a type of system software. So we all know that the famous Windows operating system is the type of system software which we have already discussed about its feature in chapter 2. It is multitasking, it is very attractive, colorful, right? So, operating system. 4. This icon displays a list of files and folders saved on your computer. Hard disk is the answer. Okay, children? 5. It is an optical disc with a capacity of 25/50 GB. So, we already know that CD और DVD से ज़्यादा space Blu-ray disc में है. Okay, so answer is Blu-ray disc. D. Fill in the blanks. Processed data is called information. As in the first chapter, I have already told you all कि किस तरह से step by step by following IPO cycle computer work. Right? We give input. Right? You all remember? This cycle, first we will going to give input, then it will going to process, and then we will get the output. First we have to give instruction, and according to that instruction computer will be going to process, and then it will going to give you all the result. So the processed data is also known as information. Okay, children? So here you will going to write information. Number 2, internal memory is also called. It's very easy, children. I have already explained you. Internal memory is also known as primary memory, or we can say the main memory, right? So many main we have for internal memory. Number 3, the data is stored permanently in the permanently कहाँ store रहते हैं? क्योंकि primary memory तो temporary में रहता है कुछ भी चीज़ stored, और permanently हमेशा कहाँ पे stored रहता है? External memory, or you can write secondary memory, and it is also known as backup memory. So दोनों में से आप कोई एक लिखना, ठीक है? 4. You can click on the dash icon to see all the files and folders stored in it. अगर कोई भी फाइल और फोल्डर को आप स्टोर करते हो, सेव करते हो, तो कहाँ पे मिलेगा आपको? कंप्यूटर आइकन में जब आप क्लिक करोगे तो आपके जो भी फाइल और फोल्डर है उसका जो भी आपने नाम रखा है उस नाम को टाइप करके आप सर्च करोगे, यू विल गोइंग टू सी योर फाइल एंड फोल्डर. 5. A nibble is made of dash bit 4 bits. Okay, so in this way you will going to complete the worksheet in your book also, and children you will going to write worksheet 1 in your copy also. Yes, you will going to draw all this. Okay, it's very important. कौन सा प्राइमरी मेमोरी, कौन सा हार्ड डिस्क मेमोरी, you should know it. So you will going to draw this in your copy, and you will going to write all this in your copy also. Okay, thank you, bye bye.